Hi guys, welcome to my custom DWM. If you've been following the videos lately, the project of this holiday is learning C. Doesn't really matter if it's DWM or Dusk or ChatWM. It's all DWM, it's all C. I'd like to learn how to start from scratch. So I'm gonna say my key binding. Super D is gonna launch Thunar. In the meantime, by the way, I have also Super F11. Changed the look a little bit, the design, Super F12. So I can launch Thunar there as well. That's ArcoLinux, right? ArcoLinux has that. Not the default arch. Now, the code is in here, so DWM is in here. Basically, if you want to try again, you're gonna go for a git clone somewhere. Voila, git clone. That's coming from Eric Dubois. Here it is, ericdubois.dwm. And in here is a script that's just gonna build this thing. So build, where are we? Yep, there. Build custom DWM. It's gonna install stuff that we should have, that we're missing maybe. It's gonna get the official patches in. It's gonna patch the official patch, and voila, everything is done. A Super Shift R is something that's now included, but we need to reboot first. So let's see if we can Super Shift C this, Super Shift C that. So this is actually the build. In here is the config dev h, that's the one we're gonna use. And let's see at some code if everything is okay. That's something we need, the self restart. So that's up here. And then what else was I thinking? Okay, so this. All right, Super X is our logout system. Logout. And we're going back in. And then DWM, the one you built, then that build will be used, right? First make and then sudo make install and then log out and then log in, voila. But we have now also a Super Shift R, and you may or you may not see it. Look at the blue up here. Super Shift R is a little bit of fading away. We are restarting, so that's the self restart patch that's in there. If we do some more windows open, Super Shift Enter and Enter, 4 is enough. This is this kind of tiling up here. That's the look for it, right? And we have a key combo control, Super M and P. I've changed it to the comma and the semicolon there. So the P is this. Every time I'm pressing P, it's a little bit different. And we want, if we want to go back, then it's M, P, M, P, M, P, 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 P. Well, we're back, right? So it's cycling through all the layouts basically. And when you're happy, you can stop. That's implemented. Super Shift Enter. Super Shift C then. Let's take Super F12. That works as well. Thunar. Only on ArcoLinux, of course. Documents, that's Rofi for you. DWM, this is where everything happens, right? Change anything here and rebuild it. There is the rebuild. We want to automate everything. We want to use a level up, and we want to use this one, and then this one gets built. But this is where the heart is. This is DWM. Is there anything we could say more? So Super T, Super M, and Super F. Yeah, that's it. Super F super T and super M. No, not M. Was it not M? Maybe another screen open. Super M. No, it's not M. T, there was a T, there was the F, and there's another one. T, F, and... Oh. Code, right? Here. T, F, and M, right? T, F, and M, line 129, 30, and 131. So super F is this, super M is that, and super T is that. It's just a little bit different, I guess. Let's do it like this, super M. Oh yeah, now it's with more screens, you see it. This is super M, super T, and super F. Super F, super T, super M. All right. So it's reading code. It's in there. It's all in there. It should work. Right. There's something else. Super C, super C. So anything else I should show you? So super F, that one. Voila. We went to the cycle. We've changed these things, some of these things, and the model space is not 10 but 12, so a little bit bigger. What else did we do? We can change this if we want, but that's for later if you want to. All the cycle things, cycling through everything. And for the rest, mod D rather than mod P. That's something we've changed. We can increment gaps and all that if you want to press the buttons. Kill client. That's something to remember, right? Super Shift C. The layouts T and F and M. The P and the M for the cycling of the layouts. I think we've covered more or less everything except maybe this one. Super Shift R. That's the latest thing we've done. And that's covered in video 4199. So here we are. That's the level of extras that we have. And if you want to see, Super Shift C, 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 and C, we have, you can check the patches out. 8 patches I think we have now. So open up the build custom and you see the numbering down here. Patch 8. That's where we are. There are more patches to come, and that's for a later day. All right, have fun.